Hi guys, this is the last video of this birthday series. I will provide all the links of the videos of this series in the description box below. You can check out from these links. I will present some decoration ideas in this video. I will show you plastic ribbon flower and birthday banner. Plastic ribbon, this is very simple, very easy to learn, but this is very gorgeous. You can decorate your room or your place of the party with this beautiful flower. So this is very colorful actually, so you can decorate with this flower your children party, your birthday party, any type of kitty party, and also you can use this any type of puja decoration. Suppose Ganpati puja decoration, Saraswati puja decoration, you can use this type of flower, and it is not at all time consuming, very easy to learn. I will show you step by step. Another thing is birthday banner. This is very beautiful, very attractive part of a birthday party and useful also. There are lots of different kinds of design, different kinds of banners are available in the market, but sometimes we feel that the price is too high according to the product, and also sometimes we fail to find that particular banner which we are searching for. So applying your creativity, you can prepare it at your home with very minimum cost, very low cost, and according to your desire. Okay, so I will show you a particular kind of banner, how can you prepare it, and using your creativity, using your different concept, you can also prepare others banners too. So let's start the video. Well, I am Choitali. Welcome back to my channel Antique Collage. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also follow me in my Instagram page. My Instagram handle is Antique Collage. You can also follow the Facebook page of Antique Collage. So let's start the video. I am using plastic ribbons of 3 colors: purple, pink and white. We have to cut the ribbon into 6 sides. Here for this flower I am taking this purple ribbon. It is 1 feet, 1.5 feet is the pink ribbon, and 1.5 feet or 2 feet the white ribbon. Using hot glue, I fold this strip in this way. So I have 4 pieces of this pink ribbon, and now attaching all this pink ribbon in this fashion using hot glue. Now our pink flower is ready. In the same way we have to prepare the purple flower also. Attaching the purple flower with the pink flower, now also attaching a round cardboard back side of the flower. Also attaching a round mirror on the purple flower. Now this is the turn of white strips, attaching this using the hot glue. So our flowers are ready. I have made total 6 flowers in different fashion. This is the turn of birthday banner. I have this golden glitter foam sheet. I have taken the print out of these letters. You can take the print of mirror image of these letters directly. Otherwise you have to follow the following steps. Now trace it on the golden foam and cut it in proper way. So now my handsome letters are ready. Making heart shape on red craft paper. This is actually A4 size handmade paper. So I have total 13 red hearts. Now sticking a red ribbon on the back side of these hearts. Now this is the turns of these letters. I am placing these handsome letters on these red hearts. Wow, it looks really nice. I have this photo of this Lord in this wall and I don't want to move it from here. That's why I place this banner just below the picture. I have prepared 2 red flowers for these 2 ends of this birthday banner. Making process of these red flowers are also same with the pink flower or purple flower. Attaching one red flower with double-ended tape, another one for another end. I have taken 10 inches 4 red strips and prepared this flower, then placed a round mirror on this red flower. Now this is the complete look of the birthday banner. I have already made these 6 flowers of plastic ribbon combined with pink, purple and white. Here the rest of the 3. So I arrange it in this way. So this is a simple decoration for a homely party because this COVID situation only allows us for this homely arrangement. Oh, who will put this chair here? Okay, don't worry, I will surely remove it before the party will start. So let's enjoy the party. Bye bye.